The Dow dropped almost 800 points, and almost all major market cap stocks are in the red. Is this the beginning of the end? Probably not. Just a few weeks ago, we dealt with a giant drop, almost exactly like this. The question is, why is it dropping? Well, it's because of the things the markets hate the most: uncertainty. A lot of people will say that time in the market beats timing the market, and that is very true in my opinion. However, you need to realize a lot of people are out there trying to make tons of money really fast. The entire scope of trading options relies on time and timing. The thing causing uncertainty is the you-know-what virus. A lot of Western countries have had tons of protests and violent riots, lots of people grouped together doing all sorts of crazy stuff. Cases of the illness are going way higher, and the possibility of a second wave of closures is materializing. Personally, I don't think that we'll have large-scale closures. People are sick of them. Companies are suffering, and it's taking a toll on the U.S. economy. I really don't see that happening, especially as more and more companies learn to work around the current situation. But there's always a possibility. Take a look at the stock market right now. We're a lot higher right now than we were weeks ago. True, if you sold now, you would have missed that tasty pump not too long ago, but you'd still be making money, a lot of money, and it might be worth it if you expect things to go even lower. If you bought down here, well, markets are way higher, and if you expect a dip due to a second wave, then it does sort of make sense to sell right now, secure some profits, and then buy again as things go lower to get back into the market. I'm up a fair number on a lot of my positions, but I'm not selling. Timing could easily screw me right now. I'm holding my stocks, collecting dividends, and selling covered calls. I wouldn't be surprised if we trade sideways for a few weeks. I'm thinking of getting just a touch more aggressive with my calls, but not selling at a price I would be angry at myself for selling at. Keep in mind, sometimes it pays to sell covered calls on green days for the underlying security, even if that means waiting a day or two. Now, obviously, theta can murder things if you don't change your expiration, but when people are optimistic about a stock, they just want to buy stuff up. It's definitely going to take a few more days for the market to react and solidify. Emotions are at an all-time high, and things, while not completely uncertain, aren't crystal clear right now.